You are highly welcome to another interesting topic. How to start your own black soldier fly larvae and worms for poultry and livestock animals. Step-by-step guide. Hi everyone. Thank you for being here with me. Today we are diving into something exciting. How to start your own black soldier fly larvae and worms farm. These little larvae are full of protein and nutrients that can help your chicken and livestock grow healthier and stronger. And guess what? They are easy to farm. That is why, and that is what I'm going to teach you here. How to go into, in a simple manner, what you can do to start this farming and use it to take care of your poultry and livestock animals, and for you to grow richer in this business, because you're going to spend little amount of money to produce high quality livestock animals. 1. Choose a space in your farm. Pick a very clean and sheltered spot for your black soldier fly larvae and worms. The BSF larvae needs shade and prefer warm condition. First step. Second step, set up the beam. Don't worry, let me guide you through the process, then I will show you the practical on how to go about it. Set up the beam. Now use a sturdy plastic or bowl or metal beam with small holes for ventilation. Make sure it is deep enough for the larvae to move and grow. Step 3. Add waste materials. Please make sure you follow all these steps. I'm going to show you the video also. BSF larvae love food scraps. Fruits, vegetable waste like orange peels, banana peels, plantain, pineapple, and all the beverages is what they like. They eat it, they use it, and they grow. Avoid meat, dairy, or oily food as they spoil quickly. So use all these fruit and beverages. Step 4. Get BSF eggs or larvae. You can buy the larvae from existing farm. You can buy it from neighbor or from any farm. You can buy BSF eggs online or extract adult BSF to lay eggs by placing the beam outside of your environment for a few days. Create a moist environment. Don't worry, we are going there. The BSF larvae needs slightly moist space. Spray or sprinkle water if the bean gets too dry, but avoid making it soggy. Sprinkle little water, make it mild. Step 6. Feed and stay regularly. Add fresh water every few days and gently stir the bean so that air will enter inside, oxygen will enter inside, so it will not be too hot for them. This helps the larvae eat, grow, and stay healthy. Maintain warmth. BSF larvae grow best in warm temperature, around 75 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit or 24 to 32 degrees centigrade. Keep the beam warm and protect from cold weather. Step 8. Harvest the larvae. After about 2 to 3 weeks, your larvae will be big and ready, between 10 to 14 days. Scoop them out and they are ready to feed your poultry and livestock. Rinse and feed to animals. If it is fish farm, take them into the fish pond and see what the fish will do. They will all jump up, and if they have way of greeting you, they will do that. So raise the larvae slightly before feeding them to your animals. You can feed them fresh or dry. The dry one is also good to formulate feed. And if you really want me to give you proper poultry feed formula using black soldier fly larvae, dried one, please tell me on the comment section. I will prepare a feed formula for you in case you decide to go into it. So next one, repeat the cycle. Save a few larvae to grow into adults again, into flies, because it is a cycle business. You have to recycle them for you to get the one you use to replant. Save a few larvae to grow into adult flies. They lay eggs and you will also have a new batch of larvae in no time. One thing with this business you need to know is, now listen to what you need to know about black soldier fly larva before you go into it. Please, it is very necessary. Please, before you go into the black soldier fly larva and worm farming, these are facts you need to know. 1. BSF larvae are high in protein, essential for animal growth. BSF farming reduces farm waste by recycling organic matters. The larva requires organic waste for optimal growth. BSF are low maintenance compared to other insect farming. They contain essential amino acids beneficial to livestock. BSF farming requires controlled temperature and humidity. Adult BSF flies don't feed or spread diseases. No. BS fly can be harvested as live or dried feed. They have a high feed conversion ratio. BS fly reduces the need for commercial feeds. They produce rich fertilizer. BSF fly larva farming requires adequate ventilation and daily activities. The larva contains healthy fats that improve animal health and growth. The BS fly farming is sustainable and eco-friendly. They do not attract pests when managed correctly and effectively. The BS fly larvae are rich in calcium, supporting bone health. Proper waste management is essential for BS fly larva health. Farming BSF fly larvae requires minimal space, just small container. This BSF fly can improve livestock immunity, growth, and sustainability. If this particular content is interesting to you and you think you have gained something from it, please give it a thumb up. Share this video to reach more farmers. And on the comment section, please tell me your view, your point, your idea on this particular topic. Let's meet on the comment section till I come your way with another interesting topic loading very soon. Don't go far. Please don't skip our adverts. Any advert that is playing on any of our videos, please leave it. Don't skip them. This is the only way you can contribute to the growth of this channel that is bringing useful information, useful ideas, and beneficial training for you to grow your own business. Your own will not spoil you. Bye for now.